In the name of Allah, the most gracious and ever merciful. Understanding life insurance, securing your loved one's future. Introduction. Life is full of uncertainties, and while we all hope for the best, it's essential to prepare for the worst. Life insurance is a financial tool that provides peace of mind and security to individuals and their families in the face of life's uncertainties. In this video, we will explore the significance of life insurance, its various types, and the benefits it offers to policyholders and their loved ones. What is life insurance? Life insurance is a contract between an individual, the policyholder, and an insurance company. In exchange for regular premium payments, the insurance company agrees to pay a lump sum amount, known as the death benefit, to the policyholder's beneficiaries upon their passing. This financial support can help ease the financial burden on surviving family members during a difficult time. Policyholders can use the cash value to pay premiums or withdraw funds during their lifetime. Benefits of life insurance. Number 1. Financial protection. Life insurance provides financial security to your loved ones in the event of your untimely death. The death benefit can cover funeral expenses, outstanding debts, and ongoing living expenses. Types of life insurance. Number 1. Term life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, such as 10, 20, or 30 years. It is often the most affordable option, making it a popular choice for young families and individuals. If the policyholder passes away during the term, the death benefit is paid out to the beneficiaries. However, if the policyholder outlives the term, there is no payout and the coverage expires. Number 2. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance offers lifelong coverage. It combines the death benefit with the cash value component that grows over time. Premiums are generally higher than term life insurance but remain level throughout the policyholder's life. The cash value can be borrowed against or withdrawn, providing a source of savings and investment. Number 3. Universal life insurance. Universal life insurance is flexible and allows policyholders to adjust their premium payments and death benefits. It also includes a cash value component that can be invested, potentially leading to higher returns over time. Number 1. Financial protection. Life insurance provides financial security to your loved ones in the event of your untimely death. The death benefit can cover funeral expenses, outstanding debts, and ongoing living expenses.